One of the critical factors of website analytics is how well we understand the visitors to our website, especially their demographics, which includes their location, country, city, their languages, their gender, their age, and their preferences. Once we have selected the right date range, we see that the website audience data for the selected duration has been loaded. For now, we have selected the last 30 days data for analysis. We get the following information from the audience overview section. The users, new users, sessions, number of sessions per user, page views, pages per session, average session duration, and bounce rate. These are high-level numbers to help us understand the overall health of our website. Here you can see that there are more than 50,000 website visitors over the last 1 month. Pages per session is 4.57 and the average session duration is 2.98. The bounce rate is 43.70%. These numbers indicate a reasonably healthy website performance. Demographics overview gives us the distribution based on gender as well on age. Studying this helps us understand our visitors and their psyche better. Here you can see that there are more male visitors and the age range between 25 to 34 bring in the most visitors. Geographically, we can analyze the data based on language and location. With languages, we see here that the most visitors, more than 70% to our website, speak the English language. We can decide on the language options for our website based on this set of data. With location, we get an accurate list and number of visitors based on specific countries or cities. This helps us target our website to specific geographic locations. The mobile overview section gives us a distribution of visitors from desktop, mobiles, and tablets. If we are interested, we can go further and get insights about the visitors' devices, their operating systems, the screen resolutions, and so on. It is a very comprehensive set of visitor data to analyze. Thus, in the Audience tab, you will be able to see the visitors' demographics, their gender, what kind of device they use to access the site, and much more. These results and these reports will help you understand your visitors in more depth. This will decide what type of content works best with your website audience.